Every day, millions of people connect online for schools, for work, for life. But lurking on the digital world are cybercriminals waiting for a chance to strike. Cybercrime is any criminal activity that involves a computer, network device, or own network. It includes identity theft, phishing, ransomware, and online scams.
Here is an example of cyberbullying.
You look pretty heavy.
Cyberbullying is an example of cybercrime. So what is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is the use of digital platforms like social media, messaging app, or gaming site to harass, threaten, or humiliate someone. This can happen to anyone, anytime, and the effect can be very serious.
Many who witness cyberbullying remain silent, unsure of how to help, fear of involvement, the uncertainty of how to intervene, and the pressure to conform to peer dynamics often leads to inaction, but silence is complicity. Silence allows the cruelty to continue, fueling the cycle of abuse and leaving victims feeling isolated and helpless.
Let's create a safer digital environment, learn to identify cyberbullying, report it to the proper authorities, and most importantly, choose kindness. Spread awareness, be the change, speak up. You are not alone. Your voice matters, and your action can make a difference. Together, we can build a more compassionate and respectful online community.